quick pack for Airbnb. When I say quick pack, I mean 15 minutes packing. But yeah, let's get all this into the bag real quick because I have work. So let's just get everything packed. Leaving work. I don't want to film nothing with me at work, but we're leaving work because we're going to the Airbnb, guys, and I'm taking you with me. It is a cute little space, like cute, compact little space. A person who lives alone can just live here and be happy with life. I wished there was AC in the bigger area and not just the bedroom, but whatever, I'll make it work. Whatever. I have to go back out on the road because I wanted to go to Fontana for the Black Friday sale because I have some stuff to get from Fontana. So I soon come back and then take a shower and then just watch movies for the night. I'm gonna leave now before it gets too late.